Hi, Mr. Willis. My name is Dejana. I'm going to be your nurse today, and I'm going to go ahead and listen to your heart sounds, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to wash my hands,
Mhm.
and I'm going to warm up my diaphragm, and we're going to start at the mid-clavicular line at the fifth intercostal space, okay?
Okay.
Mid-clavicular line, about fifth intercostal space. I can hear your S1 and S2, which is also your lub dub. This is also where I hear your PMI the best. Now I'm going to listen to your heartbeat for 1 minute. Okay. You had 77 beats per minute. They were normal sinus. I didn't hear any extra heart sounds. And you had a strong heartbeat.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, so next I'm going to go to your second intercostal space, but this time I'm going to be to the right of your sternum. And I'm going to be listening to your aortic valve. Okay, now I'm going to stay at the second intercostal space, but this time I'm going to go to the left of your sternum, and I'm going to be listening to your pulmonate valve. Now I'm going to go to your fourth intercostal space and listen to your tricuspid valve. All right, Mr. Willis, that wraps up all of what I have to do today. Is there anything else I can assist you with before I leave?
That'll be all, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
You too, ma'am.